Most stick welders advertised for home use are fragile toys that will leave you with cold welds and broken arcs. Choosing the wrong machine means you are wasting hundreds of dollars on equipment that cannot handle a single real project. Have you been struggling to find a durable stick welder that actually delivers a stable bead? Luckily, we have done the hard work to narrow down the best choices for your workshop. Today, I'm going to be going over the best stick welder that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Lincoln Electric Weld-Pak 225i. This impressive dual-voltage machine targets professionals and home hobbyists who require reliable performance for various difficult welding projects. You will appreciate that this versatile unit handles both stick and TIG welding applications with remarkable ease and precision. The inverter design is compact and weighs only 20 pounds, which makes it incredibly simple to transport between locations. Engineers included a clever built-in toolbox top that offers convenient storage for your cables and all essential welding accessories. Its durable construction ensures that this welder can withstand the harsh conditions of a busy workshop or outdoor sites. The device features a flexible output range from 10 to 225 amps for diverse metal thicknesses. It supports dual voltage operation on 120 volts or 230 volts for maximum versatility. This machine provides a stable arc that delivers strong welds on 12-gauge metal up to 5/16-inch steel. You get a 30% duty cycle when operating at 225 amps on 230-volt power. The kit includes a 13-foot work cable and a 13-foot electrode cable to improve your overall reach. This unit feels more robust and offers better arc stability than the budget-oriented Miller Thunderbolt entry-level welding machine. The pros include wide amp range, portable inverter design, and included accessory kit. The cons include required TIG accessories and complex control setup. Every technician will find that this high-quality tool simplifies complex fabrication tasks while maintaining very consistent heating results. At number 4, we have the YESWELDER 205 amp. This versatile machine is perfectly designed for hobbyists and professional fabricators who require reliable power for their welding projects. Users will quickly appreciate the intuitive interface that simplifies complex setup procedures for beginners and experienced welders alike today. The sturdy metal casing provides exceptional protection for the internal electronics against dust and debris in harsh work environments. It features a compact frame measuring 12 inches by 6 inches by 10 inches, which saves significant space in workshops. An ergonomic handle makes transporting this unit between different job sites effortless for contractors working on the go every day. The advanced inverter technology allows for a maximum output of 205 amps to handle thick steel plates. It includes an automatic hot start feature that helps establish a stable arc immediately upon contact with the welding surface. The cooling system runs efficiently to maintain low temperatures during long sessions to prevent any unexpected thermal shutdown during operation. Real-world testing shows a smooth and consistent arc that produces clean beads with minimal spatter even on difficult materials. Users can easily adjust the voltage and amperage settings to match various rod sizes and thicknesses for precise weld control. This unit offers better stability and smoother current delivery than the Hobart Stickmate model when welding in challenging outdoor conditions. The pros include dual voltage support, advanced inverter technology, and lightweight portable design. The cons include limited duty cycle and short ground cable. At number 3, we have the TOOLIOM 195A Stick Welder. This impressive machine is perfectly engineered for DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for their home metal projects. The compact design allows beginners to learn basic welding techniques without feeling overwhelmed by an overly complicated interface system. It features a rugged steel chassis that provides excellent protection against the daily wear of a busy workshop environment. Measuring only 14 inches in length, this welder fits easily on any standard work table without wasting valuable space. The lightweight handle allows operators to move the unit around the shop floor with minimal effort during long projects. It utilizes an advanced inverter technology that provides a maximum output power of 195 amperes. The digital display screen shows precise voltage settings to ensure the arc remains stable throughout the entire welding process. Operators can enjoy seamless current adjustment with the intuitive dial located on the front panel of the main unit. In real-world testing, the arc starts instantly every single time to save users from the frustration of stuck electrodes. The cooling fan operates quietly while maintaining safe internal temperatures during extended sessions of heavy-duty welding work tasks. This model offers significantly more stability during low current operations than the more expensive Lincoln Electric HandyCore model. The pros include high current output, simple setup process, and very sturdy build quality. The cons include short power cables and limited duty cycle at maximum settings. At number 2, we have the Seesii 1110V128 ARC Welder. This impressive machine is designed specifically for hobbyists who require reliable performance for their home repair project needs. It appeals to DIY enthusiasts by offering professional capabilities in an extremely compact and user-friendly interface package. The construction quality features a reinforced steel chassis that effectively protects the internal components during rough daily handling. You will find that the unit measures approximately 12 inches by 5 inches by 9 inches in size. Its lightweight design ensures that you can transport this equipment to any location around the workshop without struggle. The machine operates on a standard 110 voltage input to accommodate regular household power outlets. It provides a maximum output current of 120 amps to handle various thick metal welding. Advanced inverter technology inside the machine allows for precise control over the arc stability during your welding tasks. During testing, the welder maintained a consistent heat output, which resulted in very clean and strong weld beads. The cooling system keeps the internal hardware at safe temperatures even when working through long sessions of welding. This model is much more efficient than the older WeldPro units due to its improved digital power management. The pros include high arc stability, compact form factor, and simple setup. The cons include short power cables and... At number 1, we have the TOOLIOM 6-in-1 welder. This versatile unit targets DIY enthusiasts who require a reliable solution for various metal fabrication projects at their home workshop. Users will appreciate how this machine simplifies complex welding tasks while providing consistent output for hobbyists of all skill levels. The chassis features a robust steel construction that protects the sensitive internal components from harsh impacts in busy shop environments. Engineers designed this compact machine to measure just 14 inches in length, allowing for effortless storage on crowded workbench surfaces daily. Its lightweight frame ensures you can carry this tool between different job sites without feeling significant physical strain or fatigue. This impressive system integrates 6 distinct welding modes into one chassis to support flux core, MIG, and stick welding techniques. The intuitive digital control panel allows operators to adjust voltage and wire speed with extreme precision for every specific project. It includes an advanced thermal overload protection circuit that automatically shuts down the power source to prevent any potential damage. During testing, the arc ignition proved remarkably stable and smooth, resulting in clean bead appearance on thicker steel plate materials. You will find that the cooling system maintains optimal operating temperatures even during long sessions of continuous metal fabrication work today. This machine performs significantly better than the standard entry-level models available elsewhere when handling thicker materials for extended periods. The pros include extreme versatility, intuitive interface, and robust build. The cons include limited duty cycle and short